I first off, I connected with you right away. I could see you had good energy and good intentions. You weren't just about wanting to sell me on the phone. You were like wanting to help me. So there was that. I think another reason why is when I had started getting introduced to Feng Shui, the thing that frustrated me the most was everything like that. It was that not you do the Western style where this other lady was doing, I forget
Oh, the compass.
the compass. And I kept feeling like I was stuck. Like there's so many things that I got to friggin' change. And like, where it's so regimented, and I'm like, I'm not a regimented person like that. Like when it comes to energy and flowing, and it just wasn't making sense to me. All of it, I felt like I was never going to be able to really get it to be in full alignment with the way that the lady was teaching it. So there was that. Because I really liked how you talked about the Western philosophy and how it's more adaptable, um, and I think those are like the biggest reasons. And like for me, I was at a time in my life where I was ready to shift. I could feel energy shifting in my life, and I wanted my space, my environment. Like I work from home, I wanted my environment, my space to be, energy flowing, to welcome new energy in and old energy out, so that I could inspire, impact, and change people's lives. That's the biggest reason for me.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.